Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve some multiplication problems. By now you have already learned the multiplication tables and I hope you remember them all. If not, please watch all my multiplication videos and practice more. Now let's get started. Before we begin, take a look at my Soroban. I have attached this number stickers, right? Because it makes easier to understand. It will also help you when you practice mental maths. Let's solve this multiplication. 45 into 5. Here we can see that the answer is equal to 200, means here the 100 place. So we put 200 on the Soroban in third place. This is 100, right? So 20 means this is 100 place, so 200, right? Next we multiply the one digit. Okay, so 5 into 5. 25, right? Now we add 25 to 200. This is tens and this is ones, so 25. So 200 plus 25 is equal to 225. Therefore 45 into 5 is equal to 225. Remember, 4 tens times 5 is equal to 20 tens, which is 200. Then 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Adding 25 to 200 gives us 225. This is how we use place value to solve multiplication on the abacus. Now take another example. 53 into 6. Here same, first we multiply the tens digit. 5 tens into 6 is equal to 30 tens. 30 tens means 300. So in third place we put 30, we add 30, right? So now we multiply the one digit. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is tens, this is ones, right? So 10 plus 8, 18. So let's count 318. 300 plus 18 is equal to 318. Therefore 53 into 6 is equal to 318. Remember, 5 tens into 6, 30 tens, which is 300. Then 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Adding 18 to 300 gives us 318, right? I hope you understood the concept of place value. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment below. Keep practicing at home and don't forget to review your multiplication tables. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.